out here in the fucking middle of the Atlantic Ocean, baby. Look at me. Look at me. Holy shit, I'm crazy. I got fucking waves coming in from Jose, and I'm out here in the fucking middle of the fucking Atlantic Ocean, man. I gotta be fucking crazy. Look at me riding the wave on the jet ski. Look at this shit. Woo-hoo! I'm catching the fucking tube, baby. Fucking see that? You see that? I'm out here riding fucking waves. Oh, from Hurricane Jose, baby. This shit is surreal out here right now. Fucking surreal. I got waves pushing me in. Woo. I'm gonna go against them now. This shit is like the fucking Poseidon Adventure, man. Fucking tsunamis, bro. I got tsunamis out here on the Atlantic Ocean, man. Oh shit, here we go. Woo! Look at this big one coming here.